Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you hit Badoo Premium on your Badoo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account preferences, then come to next step here, then you click here on invisible mode, then come to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on hit Badoo Premium. So then here you have to get premium first to hit it. So here can you add monthly or lifetime or 6 months, or here 3 months or 1 week. Then you click on continue, then add your card information, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.